HCF stands for highest common factor. This was the topic about factors. If, for example, I gave you the three examples, 20, 28 and 36 ના factors find કરવાના છે આપણે. The highest common factor of these three. So we have done this with division method to get LCM. 5 and 5 ones are 5, right? So 2 into 2 into 5 was for 20. Am I right? I did this on
Yes,
board.
sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
2 14s are, 2 7s are, and 7 ones are 7. So 2 into 2 into 7 for this, 28. And now for 36, sorry, 2 18s are,
36.
2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are
9.
9, 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 36 are what?
3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
Very good. So these are the two common here in all these three.
Yes, sir.
બાકી કાંઈ common નતું નીકળતું, right? So highest common factor, we have to multiply all the common numbers what we have. So common numbers are 2 times. So highest common factor for all these three is what? 4. 4 જ એવો મોટામાં મોટો ફેક્ટર છે જે ત્રણેયને એક જ સાથે ટેબલમાં લઈ શકે. Or we can divide all these three numbers by 4. समझ पड़ी गई कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this HCF?
No, sir.
Now
No,
we are in
sir.
our last topic of this chapter, that is LCM. Okay? That
Yes,
is
sir.
LCM. Chalo. LCM stands for
Sir,
Largest
lowest common
common.
multiple.
Least common multiple.
I'm sorry, excuse me. Yes, least common multiples. Exactly. Least common multiples. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now what is the least common multiple? Word itself shows the smallest number, right? For example, 3 and 4. We have to find 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Least common multiple of 3 and 4. So what we will do? We will take the LCM of this. Okay? The smallest table is what? 2. 3 will be as it is. 2 2s are 4. Again, 2 is the smallest one. Again, 3 will be as it is. 1s are 1. 3 will be as it is. Right? So now, LCM, that is least common multiple of 3 and 4 are 2 into 2 into 3. સમજાય છે કે નહીં શું લખું છું?
Yes, sir.
તો 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. તો સૌથી નાનામાં નાનો મલ્ટિપલ શું આવ્યો? 3 and 4 is the smallest multiple of 3 and 4. 12 is the smallest multiple of 3 and 4. Any doubt with this?
Excuse me, sir. Mr. Rodman, sir, बहुत हुआ सर.
माइक म्यूट कर, में खबर नहीं पड़ती. Is that correct answer? Have you all understood this?
Yes, sir.
If I say 24 and 90, chalo, the last example of this chapter.
Yes, sir.
24 and 90. So what we will do? 24 and 90 no LCM. Okay?
Yes, sir.
2 will be, how many is that? 24 12s are 2 45s are 90, and again 2 will be there, 2 6s are 45 as it is. 45 nahi aave 2 na table ma. Again 2s are 2 3s are 6, 45 as it is. Then 3 is the smallest table now. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 3 15s are 45. Am I correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Then 3 again. 1 will be as it is, 3 5s are 15. And last one we have as 5. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into, last one we got as
5.
5. Got it? So if you multiply all these numbers, you will get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Right? 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are 360 as your answer. So LCM of 24 and 90 is 360. Any doubt here how to solve the sums?
No, sir.
For sure?
Yes, sir.
So with
Yes,
the
sir.
help of this topic, we have completed our full chapter number 3. There is no other topic left to complete or cover the content. Everything is done, not a single thing is left. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, we are starting with our exercise 3.1. You ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Only one child is answering. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo,
Yes, sir.
let's do it. Exercise 3.1, question number 1. Write all the factors of the following numbers. Answer number A. 24, right? So we have to write the factors of the following numbers. So 24, how to do this? 1 into 24 is 24. પેલા આપણે સૌથી નાના નંબરથી ચાલુ કરવાનું, okay? Then what is the next smallest table? 2.
2
2 how many
14s.
is that? m. 2 12s are 24. Then
Sir, then 3 માં નહીં આવશે sir.
3 8s are 24. Then
Then sir 4 में नहीं आएगा. नहीं आएगा sir, आएगा. 4 6 जा.
सर
હવે
5 में नहीं आता.
5 में नहीं आता. So our term is over. सबसे greater number कौन सा रहेगा? The number itself. So number itself से you can check out from here you are getting the smallest table and from here you are getting the greater one. Are you getting? So actual factors are what? Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 20.
24.
Sir,
અહીંયા therefore કરીને લખવાનું. Therefore
sir,
એક મિનિટ. Therefore the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. You cleared? બોલ હવે કોણ હતો ઈ?
sir, we have to show this method that 124 is 24, 212 is 24.
તો હું શું કહું છું? આ શેના માટે મેં કરી દેખાડ્યું? દિવાલ ઉપર ટાંગવા માટે કે તમને મેથડ જોવા માટે દેખાડ્યું? This has to be followed. સર કરીને વચ્ચે વચ્ચે લંગર નાખે. આ શું કર્યું સર? અહીંયા લખતા હતા તો therefore કરીને લખવાનું. Therefore the factor of 24 are આવું કરવાનું છે, આ લખવાનું છે, આ લખવાનું છે. 100 times I am telling the same thing again and again. તોય લંગર નાખવા આવે. છલ કરીને હાલે. This is the pattern of writing the conclusion at the end after getting your things. આ ફેક્ટર્સ મળી ગયા. હવે 1 ના ટેબલમાં આવે તો 24 ના ટેબલમાં આવે, 2 ના ટેબલમાં આવે તો 12 ના ટેબલમાં આવે, 3 ના ટેબલમાં આવે તો 8 ના ટેબલમાં આવે, 4 ના ટેબલમાં આવે તો 6 ના ટેબલમાં આવે. Nonsense class. Have you cleared with sum number 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you cleared with the pattern and the method how to write the answer in the fair book?
Yes.
ચલો આમાંથી હાર્ડ લાગતો નંબર કયો ને મને કયો કે આવડે કે નથી આવડતા. તમને આવડશે કે નહીં આવડે? જસ્ટ ચેક આઉટ ધ નંબર્સ. 15, 21, 27, 12, 20, 18, 23, 36. Have the picture of the answers. ચલો એમાં કઈ લાંબુ છે નહીં. Get the photograph for all the numbers. લેવાઈ જાય તો કેજો ફોટોગ્રાફ.
Sir. Done.
Done, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Question number 2. बेटा read करता हूँ. What is question number 2?
Write first 5 multiply of.
Multiply નથી, multiples of 5, for example. So how to write this? 5 ones are 5. પેલા 5 કીધાત ને?
Yes, sir.
5
Yes, sir.
twos are 10.
Then
Then
5 threes are 15.
5 threes are
15.
15. Then
5 fours are 20. And 5 fives are
5.
25.
Very good. 5 fours are 20. And
5
5
fives are
fives are
20.
good. Chalo. 5 fives are 25. Sorry. At the end, you have to write therefore. First 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Is that clear how to write the answers in your fair book and your rough book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This was sum number A. 5 ones are 5. First 5 kida hai, to 5 સાથે multiply karo. So what are the multiples? You got 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. That is, you have to show it in the conclusion. That's it. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, question number 3. Come on, boys. Question number 3. Match the items in column 1 and items in column 2. First one, 35. 35 is what? Multiple of 8, multiple of 7, multiple of 70, multiple of 30, or factor of 50.
Sir, 7.
Multiple of 7. 7 na table ma ave 35.
Yes, sir.
So 15 is what? 15 is, can I say factor of 30?
Yes, sir.
16 is what? Multiple of 8.
8. Yes, sir.
And last 2 digit is got confusion. There is an error, printing error here. And the answer is also the F is not printed. Okay. So last 2 you have to omit here. And I'll solve that once I refer the textbook at home. Okay. I have to
Yes,
recheck the
yes.
textbook right now for these last 2. Chalo, question number 4. Question number 4. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. આપણે multiples of 9 લખવાના છે ક્યાં સુધી? ક્યાં સુધી?
100.
100 સુધી.
100 સુધી. Right?
Yes, sir.
ચલો તો let me know how many of you are aware what are the multiples of 9?
Sir, 9, 18, 27, 36,
Slowly,
45.
slowly, beta. 9, 18, 27, 36.
36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and then 80, 89 means 90, then 99.
Very good. So 9 no table. For example, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. It goes on up to 99. Why up to 99? Because
Sir, because it
they
is
want,
not.
yeah, they want up to 100. So less than 99 we have to follow, right? So this is our answer, which you have it. You can tally here. Answer number 4. We got the answer. Multiples of 9 up to 100 are 9 to 99. You cleared?
Yes, sir.
Have a photograph of question number 2, 3, and 4. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. With the help of this, we have completed our exercise 3.1. Hello, boys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have completed our exercise. We have completed our exercise 3.1, and up till here we have to do for today. We are going to start with exercise 3.2 in our next lecture. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you
Okay.
want, you can start getting relaxed, or you can start, if you want to play games, you can start the game if you want. I don't mind.
Bye, sir.